Well, guys, today I'm going to mod this knife. I'm going to make all the gray purple. It is being inducted into my favorites. I do purple on all my favorite knives. That's why I always get colors that are dyeable. Unless I just really want to check out the knife, then I go for whatever color is available at the time. So, yeah, I'm going to start taking this thing apart, and I'll probably speed that up 2 times. And there will be some cuts because I am not anywhere near a kitchen and I gotta boil the rit dye. So let's take this thing apart. My hands are not meant to take these things apart. Let's go with that. Oh, that's a long one, huh? Oh, I guess these are titanium. Okay. I did not know that. There's another thing. So these are, this has titanium hardware as well. That's pretty cool. I had no idea. The only annoying thing about all this being titanium is I got to be very careful. Oh, this part is steel. The actual barrel is steel. So that'll stick right there. Does it have steel bearings in it? Yeah, it has steel bearings in it too. That's good. Alright, so let's take this off. Bam. I gotta take them both off. Boo sauce. That is boo sauce. An exclusive carry for me now when I'm not working. When I work, I carry knives that I want to review. I've already carried this knife enough to review, but I still want to give it a little more time before I actually review it. Wow, that was on there. All right, so I think they glued these. That's right, I got all the glue in the world. Oh, that's why they have that crazy lube stuff. Cool. All right, guys, I'm gonna pause out right here. Oh, after I show you this, so here's the lock bar insert. Nice, very nice. These are titanium. There's no anything. They're good. That's why it gets that really cool sound. Yeah. This is going to look really cool purple. I have to clean all this really well. I'm going to have to alcohol all this out. All right. Put this pocket clip right here. And to you, I'll be back in a jiff. But for me, I'm going to be gone for like hours. All right, see you part 2. All right, there you have it, guys. So let's put this thing back together. little fella goes like that. This goes on like that. Let's put this pivot in here. Oh, look at that. I didn't even put this on. Whew. It's not drop a knife on me, huh? Bam. Just like that. That's a little too much. Back it off just a wee bit. There. Oh, yeah. All right. And there you have it, guys. Nice and dyed. Talk to you all next time. Appreciate you tuning in. Please like, share, subscribe, all the YouTube things, and I'll see you next time.